Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be recreating a glamorous vase. So come on with me, guys. So the beautiful vase you see here was thrifted from the Goodwill, and the item I'm using to embellish came from BB Crafts. Now I am an ambassador for BB Crafts, and I'm going to be linking below a 10% discount off of your order. So I'm also going to be linking the website to BB Crafts, the discount code, and the item that I'm using. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Recreation Inspiration, and the host of this collab is Low Lids Creations and Lady Red Crafting. They also have a guest, and it's DIY with Aria. Now we'll be creating an item that I was highly inspired by Anne from PETALISBLESS. Now she's no longer with us, but she has been one of my greatest inspirations. So when I first started DIYing, Anne was one of my greatest inspirations. I love the fact that she did glam decor, and I knew that if I followed her long enough, I would be doing it also. So I do dedicate this video to Anne from PETALISBLESS. You are so greatly missed. Now for what I'm trying to create here, sometimes less is more. Very delicately, I'm using one of the embellishments from BB Crafts, and it's so gorgeous. So this rose chain, you can find it on the BB Craft website. It is absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to be running from top to bottom on two sides and then halfway to bottom on the other two sides. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying this cement glue. It's a clear adhesive. It works absolutely great. I love it and I use it often. Now remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area, and you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time so the glue can cure. So as you can see here, I put a line of the cement glue, and then I put a dot on the top and a dot on the bottom, because the chain does weigh and you don't want it to slide. So you just want it to hold it in place just enough until that glue starts to stick that chain onto the vase. remember that what we really want to do is just glue the chain down and forget about it for 2 days. So I'm just wiping this down with a little bit of Windex just because it's glass. Let's head on over to the floral arrangement. Okay, so now we head on over to the reveal. I think this floral arrangement and the vase came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. I do want to take a moment and thank the guest and the guest host for hosting this collaboration, Recreation Inspiration. So once again, this video is dedicated to the family of Anne from PETALISBLESS. She will be greatly missed. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.